10 unknown facts about Sonal Vengurlekar. First, Sonal Vengurlekar is an Indian actress and model. Second, Sonal Vengurlekar was born on 12th June 1993 in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Third, Sonal Vengurlekar done her graduation with a Bachelor of Arts BA from the University of Mumbai, Mumbai. Fourth, Sonal Vengurlekar started her acting career in 2012 in the TV serial A Lakshmi Ka Super Parivar. In that serial, she played the role of Hiral. Fifth, Sonal worked in event management for a while before seeing a billboard for a TV show and being drawn to the entertainment industry. Sixth, the Buddy Project and Dil Dosti Dance were two shows in which she appeared. Seventh, Sonal rose to prominence on television in 2014 with the television series Shastri Sisters. Eighth, she also appeared in A Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, a reality show. Ninth, in the year 2019, Sonal played Riya and Nandini in two television serial operas, Lal Ishq and Ye Teri Galiyan. 10th, Sonal Vengurlekar has worked in popular TV shows like Ye Vada Raha, Saam Daam Dand Bhed, Bunny Chow, Home Delivery, Tere Naal Ishq, Dev, Kuch To Log Kahenge, R.K. Lakshman Ki Duniya, and is recognized worldwide. Subscribe the channel.